My neighbor died last week, so who's ringing my doorbell? Mr. Halverson was the kind of neighbor who waved every day and rang our bell at 10 p.m. like clockwork, just to say hi. Then he died. We attended his funeral, saw the casket lowered. That night at 10 p.m., the doorbell rang. I checked the camera. It was him, smiling, waving. Same old routine. I didn't answer. It happened again the next night. And the next. His body was buried. How could he be standing there? I thought maybe it was a sick prank, until he started knocking harder each night. Today, I found a note slipped under the door in his handwriting. It said, "Why won't you let me in? Hi, I'm still your neighbor."